In this tutorial, I would like to show you how to generate a new statement of work. Um, okay, what you need to do is you go to the onboarding menu and then you will click on generate statement of work. After that, a new screen opens and I'll explain you step by step from top to front how to do it. First you have to select a template. There are 3 templates available and the templates are used to define layout and content. The sorts of templates are statement of work Amazon. You have to pick this one if you want to generate a statement of work for an Amazon seller. The second one is the FTI reseller, which needs to be used when generating a statement of work for a client of a reseller. And the third one is the statement of work FTI without reseller, and you need to pick this one if you want to generate a statement of work for a regular client that isn't part of Amazon or a reseller. Now for this example, I will pick this one, and the second option is the reseller SOW, statement of work. Now, since we have selected this one and it's not a reseller, I'll leave this one empty. But if it is a reseller, I need to check it. And if I check it, you will see here that another field becomes available, and that is needed or necessary for the proper generation. So I will leave it unchecked and I'll proceed. After that, I need to give the document a name. This isn't mandatory, so I can leave this on the default value, but the name is used to generate the file. So you can type something here. Then I need to give a commencing date, which is also possible to pick it out of a calendar. Simply click the date that you want to set, and after that you need to give in an engagement date, which is the date that the engagement letter is being provided to the customer. Also a picker, just easy select the date. After that you will need to input a client. This can be a new or an existing one, and when you're typing something, the system is going to look up if there's a company or an entity available in the current database that matches your input. When there's no input found, or when your input is not found, you aren't able to select anything, but that isn't a problem. So you can leave this one like this, and now you can make a statement of work for a new client which isn't available in my TextFlow yet. After that, I will need to give up an FTI contact, also necessary for the document, pre-filled with my current login, but I also can look up someone else in the system, and I can select it. Finally, you will need to enter the countries for which the statement of work applies. You can select multiple, and when you're ready, press generate. What happens next is that a document in Word is being generated, which is pre-filled with all the values that we have set up. My Word is loading. It's a little bit slow. Always get these messages. But after that, a document is generated in the Global VAT Compliance look and feel, which is pre-filled with all the values that we have given. What you need to do next is remove all the services that aren't applicable for this statement of work. You simply do that in Word. Also fill in all the prices that are applicable, and when ready, save the document and email it or send it by a mail to the client. That's all. Easy as that.